In today's video, we are going to see some hard numericals on motion, which we will try to make them easy. Of the book Fundamentals of Physics, which is written by Halliday Resnick, and we are going to do the numericals of only the topic of equations of motion. So let's begin. So first we will write what all the equations we know till now, all the three equations. First is v equal to u plus at, where v is the final velocity, u is the initial velocity, a is the acceleration, and t is the time taken during the motion. Our second equation is s equal to ut plus half at square. We have already derived these equations. You can see from the previous videos to how we derive these equations. And third equation is v square equal to u square plus 2as, where a is the acceleration and s is the total distance traveled during the motion. So let's begin. So the first question states that एक ऑटोमोबाइल की मैन्युफैक्चरर कंपनी है, वो मतलब क्लेम करती है कि उनकी सुपर कार 8 सेकेंड में रेस्ट से 42 मीटर पर सेकेंड की स्पीड सिर्फ 8 सेकेंड में कवर कर सकती है. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड द एक्सेलरेशन इफ इट इज कांस्टेंट एंड वी हैव टू डिटरमाइन these two questions. So first we will write what is given. Given is that it starts from rest, so u equal to 0, time t equal to 8 seconds, and the final velocity in this 8 seconds is 42 meter per second. So we will first find the acceleration, which is our question A. So we have our first equation of motion, which is v equal to u plus a t. So our v is 42 in this question, u equal to 0 because it is starting from rest, t equal to 8, and acceleration is given. So 42 equal to 8a and 42 by 8 equal to a. We can further solve this and get the value to be 5.25, but we will keep in this position only for solving easily the next question, which is we have to find the distance covered by the car in first 8 seconds. So we will apply the formula as equal to ut plus half at square. So we will put the values. Here will be 0 into t, so 0 only, plus half into 42 by 8 was our acceleration. You can see that our acceleration was 42 by 8 and time was 8 seconds. So t square equal to 8 into 8. 8 से 8 कट जाएगा और ये 21 बच जाएगा. तो 21 into 8 is equal to 168 meter. So the car will travel 168 meter in 8 seconds according to that question. So let's move to the next question, which is a train is traveling down a straight track at 20 meter per second. So the engineer applies the brakes. This results in an acceleration of -1. So acceleration, when it is negative, we can also say it is retardation as long as the train is in motion. So this is a very unique question. We will write the given. Given is that u equal to 20 meter per second, time equal to 40 seconds, and acceleration equal to -1 meter per second square. So this is unique because by first equation of motion v equal to u plus at. So if we put the values for just 20 seconds in this question, it will result in 20 plus -1 into 20 seconds for the first 20 seconds. So the after 20 seconds, the velocity will be 20 minus 20, which will be 0. So it will be in motion for first 20 seconds, but it will be in rest for the next 20 seconds. So we have to find the total distance traveled by the train. So we will use the equation as equal to ut plus half at square. So u is our 20 into 40 because time is 40 seconds. plus half into acceleration is -1 into t square, which is 40 into 40. So when you solve this, you will get, no, because time is 20, so we will take here 20. You can solve this and you will get 20 into 20 equal to 400, and 400, and this will get cancelled. ये 200 हो गया, और 400 minus 200 equal to 200 meter. It will cover in first 20 seconds, and as it is in rest for the next 20 seconds, it will be 0 meters. So total distance equal to 200 and 200 meters. So let's move towards our third question, which is a body moving with uniform acceleration has a velocity of 12 centimeter per second in the positive x direction when its x coordinate is 3 centimeter. If its x coordinate 2 seconds later is -5 centimeter, what is the magnitude of its acceleration? So displacement is the final position minus initial position. अगर हम कोऑर्डिनेट एक्सिस बनाते हैं तो -5 यहाँ पर लगा रहेगा और 3 यहाँ पर, तो डिस्प्लेसमेंट होगा फाइनल माइनस इनिशियल, so you get it to be -8 centimeter. Now we will write the equation as equal to ut plus half at square. U is given to be 12 centimeter per second and time is given to be 2 seconds. So 20 into, here is our -8, 20 into 2 plus half into a is we have to find out, and by 4. So this will get cancelled. Sorry, initial velocity is 12. So -8 equal to 24 plus 2a. So this 24 will get in this side, so that will get -24, -24, -8 equal to -32, and when you will divide this, it will get a equal to -16 centimeter per second square. So in this, we have to just remember our coordinate system and solve the equation. So let's move towards our fourth question. The fourth question is that the initial velocity of a body is 5.20 meter per second. We have to find the velocity after 2.5 seconds. So given, we will write u is our 5.20 meter per second and time is 2.5 seconds. In first case, the acceleration which is given is plus 3 meter per second square. So we will write the formula v equal to u plus at. So u is our 5.2 plus acceleration given is 3 into 2.5. So when you solve this, you will get 5.2 plus 7.5 equal to 12.7 meter per second square. And in the second case, we are given acceleration to be -3 meter per second square. So we will write the same, v equal to u plus at. We have to find out u is to 5.2 meter per second plus acceleration is -3, time is given to be 2.5 seconds. So the same will happen, 5.2 minus 7.5. So acceleration will be -2.3 meter per second square. So I think you are liking the questions and feeling that they are easy. So let's move to our last numerical, which is a drag racer starts a car from rest. So we will first write what is given to us. So given is u equal to 0 meter per second, acceleration is 10 meter per second square, and the distance traveled is 400 meter. So on the basis of this, we will solve the question. So in the first, we have to find the time taken for this motion. So s equal to ut plus half at square, which is our second equation of motion. We will write that for solving this question. First part, s is given to be 400 meter, u is 0, so this whole value will become 0. So we will not write that. Half into acceleration is 10 into t square. So it will get cancelled. 5 will get into division, and it will 400 by 5, so it will be 80 equal to t square. Now when we take the square root of this, so t equal to root 80, and root 80 is equal to 8.94 meter per second. Oh sorry, 8.94 seconds, just seconds. And our second part was that we have to find the speed of the race car at the end of the run. So we will write the equation v equal to u plus 80. U is given to be 0, plus acceleration is 10, and time given we have already found, which is 8.94. So the velocity of the race car in the first 10 seconds will be 89.4 meter per second. So I hope these numericals were useful for you, and even if you were class 9, 10th or 11, you could have found these numericals very useful. So I will repeat the name of the book. It is Fundamentals of Physics. You can try to solve some of the numericals if you are even in class 9, 10th or 11. So thanks for watching. If you like the video, then be sure to hit that like button, share it with your friends, comment how was the video, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.